Promise 9. Vitamin me. Like vitamin D, but like me?
I think you need a dose of vitamin me.
That sounds like a pickup line. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like that's a pickup line. Hey, baby girl, I think you need a dose of vitamin me. Alright, well. Oh. This is not how I see my bags being treated. My shit get tossed all the time. So this is definitely a fantasy for sure. Ooh, peaches! Oh, I would love to live here. Wait. Gulp it down at once. I'll mix it up on a silver platter now. Call it vitamin me. Why that make me giggle? Okay. Dang, is homeboy spitting game in the background? Hey man, my boy spitting game in the background. You see him? Look at him. He's like, you know, I got a lot of crypto and like Bitcoin in my bank account. And then she don't care. She don't care, bro. Move on. We boxing? Would that work on you, chat? Would that work on you, YouTube? If they said you can have a little bit of vitamin me. Be honest. Be honest. Let me know. Let me know. No. Damn. That's a cool shot though. Who is that man? I keep on seeing him. Who is him? Who is him? If he could be an why can't I? Is he lifting lemonade? Vitamin me. Some of y'all might be saying it's cringe, but being cringe is free. I feel like being cringe is freedom. Ha! Hey, you better watch out. He trying to ruin you. Oh. What the hell is this angle? What the fuck? I don't want that. Jacob, get off me. Get the hell off me. What kind of angle is this? I don't want that. Someone get somebody's grandpa. Oh, I know you high right now. Ooh, okay, vocals though. What is that cute butt? Cute butt chic? Wait, what's her shirt say? Cute butt chick? Cute butt chic? This is like a music video water bomb. This looks like a commercial for hydration. Oh my god. Oh my god. Did y'all see how burnt that man was? That man he burnt too. Look how burnt this man is. You see how burnt you gotta get this man out the sun. Someone did not give him the appropriate what's the word? Sun care? The suntan lotion or sun protection? Damn, my boy, you too. You look burnt in the mouth. Oh my god, all these people need to get out of the sun. Sunscreen, that's the word. Oh, that was a cute shot. Damn. That's all? That was a dream? What you gonna say? Damn, Promise 9. Okay, now they got all these vitamin stuff. Now, don't mind me, but like I just finished watching Teach You a Lesson, and all these kids taking these vitamins. I'm not gonna trust any vitamins as of right now. But yeah, vitamin me. Okay, Promise 9 coming through with the heat, through the summer bop. Put a comment down below what you guys think. Hey, shout out to my chat. They told me about Our Birthday Hungry. This is a JYP girl group. This is their pre-debut. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Play. Wait, this sounds cute already. This sounds cute. I'm hungry too, girl. More sour. Bro, I want some chocolate too. Is her real name Kick in the group? Hey, okay with the footwork. There's 3 of them. There's 7 girls. Someone told me. Eat it up. Me when I'm hungry. Okay, that breakdown. Oh, with the flour? Hey. What? Pop, pop, pop. Oh. Are they dancing on flour? I hear someone going, That's different. Ooh. Hungry. Eat it up. This is cute. Alright, they killing it. They got the energy for real too. Hey, whipped cream. Come on. Big cream. This is Dre coded. What you mean? Because I like eating? Yes. I mean, shit. I already got coffee in my hand. Got the sweetness. Our birthday. What do you mean about our birthday? What's our birthday? That's an interesting name, by the way. Our birthday? Alright, well, this is just pre-debut, and it's just 3 of the members, and it's side A performance video. What I saw, pretty good from what I saw. Alright, y'all, put the comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.